Carlos Yulo breaks his silence over issues surrounding his personal life, particularly about his mother, Angelica Yulo, and his girlfriend, Chloe San Jose. In a post on TikTok, Yulo clarifies that he never received the incentives he got from World Championships 2022. According to Yulo, he just wants to know where his mother spent the incentives without his consent.
Ang sa akin lang naman, gusto ko malaman kung saan napunta yung incentives ko po na yun. Yung principle po kasi dito wala po sa liit o laki ng amount po na incentives po na ginalaw niya, kundi po sa pagtago at paggalaw niya nang wala ko pong consent, yung pinapoint ko po sa kanya.
He then defends his girlfriend Chloe against his mother, saying she has judged Chloe based on her appearance.
At yung about sa red flag daw po si Chloe na sinabi ng mama ko, hinusgahan niya po agad si Chloe sa pananamit at sa pag-akto po niya. Lumaki si Chloe sa Australia at ibang-iba po talaga sa Pilipinas kung paano tayo gumalaw, magsalita o manamit po. At yung about po sa yung mauubos po yung anak ko, nasabi po ng mama ko. Unang-una po si Chloe po may sarili po siyang income. Galing po yun sa pinagpaguran niya po. And lahat po ng bank account ko po nasa mama ko po. At may mga instances po talaga na si Chloe po yung sumasalo sa akin that time.
According to Yulo, he acknowledges the congratulatory message of his mother to him, but says that the hurtful things between them have left a mark on him. At the end of the video, Yulo says he has already forgiven his mother and wishes for her healing. On Tuesday, the legal counsel of Angelica Yulo said that she will file charges against those who are spreading fake posts and libelous remarks about their family. Carlos Yulo recently won 2 gold medals in the Paris Olympics 2024.